Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to begin. Open Google Earth Pro or Earth Studio and load your KML/KMZ and reference imagery. Start by adding place marks at key points along your planned route. Draw a path to define the camera travel. Once done, name each place mark logically so you can jump between them. Make sure to set an initial camera angle and altitude for the launch point. This first camera state defines the animation's perspective and prevents awkward jumps later when you create the tour or keyframes. You now refine motion. Switch to keyframe mode in Earth Studio or record a tour in Earth Pro, placing keyframes at each place mark to control heading, tilt, and altitude. Use easing to smooth transitions and avoid linear robotic moves. That makes the flight feel natural. Once you place keyframes, assign durations for each segment based on distance and visual interest, shorter for close-ups, longer for wide sweeps. Make sure to preview repeatedly and tweak timing until camera speed and focal framing read clearly on playback. You're at the finish line. Export at your target resolution and frame rate, 24 or 30 FPS for smooth motion or higher for slow motion. Prefer H, 264 MP4 or an image sequence for best quality to file size balance. Then import into your editor to add color grading, motion blur, titles, and a soundtrack. Once done, export the final master. If playback stutters or artifacts appear, clear Google Earth Cache. Render a proxy at lower bitrate, or re-export with fixed frame rendering to eliminate dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.